Hi guys, Mike here, your fleet founder. Hope you're all well. Today's video is just a bit of a comical one. I have here with me Killed, which is Enrico. Say hi, Enrico.
Hi, Enrico.
And today we are in the just for a bit of fun, and we're going to be following Enrico because it appears as though we have a little train going on. So I shall move and intercept. Enrico, why don't you tell the fleet a bit about yourself whilst we're doing this little adventure?
What should I tell them?
You know, where you're
Hello,
from,
I'm
your
a player.
well, what's your likes and dislikes? You know, what do you prefer to run with in game?
Don't know. I want to have fun and it's all for the light show. And Mikey, you have to follow the rising Corvette to make the train.
Roger. I would do if I can. Hang on, let me stop. I shall do this. I nearly asked a complete and utter retarded question then was, how do I follow? I just had it, you know when you have them brief momentary lapses of...
Mark the rising Corvette and right click and follow.
I've already done it, I'm on my way, I just had a momentary lapse of concentration and you know what I get like. So guys, Enrico is from Germany, so for all the German people out there, Guten Abend. I just want to say
Guten
like,
Abend.
share, subscribe, smash that alert button so you can get constant updates. And if you see us and you want to do a little space train, then why not? See you in the skies, captains. And thank you, Enrico.